Hey guys, this is Subhash Natarajan here. Welcome to the learnwithsubhash.com. In this video, what we are going to see is top 10 Google Chrome extension in terms of SEO perspective. Let's go to the video, guys. Just click the 3 points, click the setting. In setting, select the extensions, click the 3 dashes. Below, open Chrome Web Store is there. Here, just type the first extension, Grammarly. Once you click, it will show Grammarly for Chrome. Select the things. Already have added, so it's showing some remove from Chrome. The main purpose of the Grammarly is it will correct the words or sentences which is created by you, and it is most important for the SEO perspective also. It will correct the content which is created by you. That's it, the Grammarly. The next extension is Keyword Everywhere. Click. Just click the Keyword Everywhere. This thing also I have created. Once you added the extension, you need to go here and you need to pin in. Once you pin in, it will be available here. For all the extension, you need to go there. For all the extension, you need to do like this only. Next thing is, I am going to enter it a new blog, like digital. Yeah, I am going here. Once I came here, I am going to show how to use the Keyword Everywhere extension. Here more option is there. Here analyze the page content, I am clicking. Once I click the thing, it is showing the more number of keywords which is extracted from the blog. It shows the density, occurrence and found in. The monthly volume CPC competition is the premium service. This is the freemium service. That's it, the Keyword Everywhere option. After that, you just close those things. Then next extension is SEO Minion. Yeah, this is the SEO Minion. Click here. This thing also I already added. Then I am going to the blog. Then just click the SEO Minion. In SEO Minion, it will show some more services. It will show the on-page SEO things like title, description, canonical, etc. And it will show the all links which are available in the website, and also it shows the broken links, and also it shows the HRE flank checker and SERP preview, title, descriptions, URL and snippets, and also it shows the SERP location checker where our page is available in the SERP page. That's it in the SEO Minion. Next extension is Ubersuggest. This is the Ubersuggest extension. This thing also already I created. Then again I am going to the blog and close those things. Go to the extension and pin in. After going to the blog, just click the Ubersuggest logo. It will show the domain It shows the organic keywords, organic monthly traffic, domain authority, backlinks and traffics, SEO keyword ranking, then top pages by the country and top keywords by the country. This is the thing which shown by the Ubersuggest. Next extension is Alexa Rank. Click the Alexa traffic rank. I added. Again you go to the blog and click the Alexa rank. Once you clicked in, it will show the rank. The Alexa rank is 64,162 and in India 31,645. The site linking is 613. Then next extension is Find That Lead. This thing also already I added. After getting into the blog, just click the extension and click the collected emails. Yeah, it will show the support at email extract XYZ. The main purpose of the email extract is it will collect the all emails from the web page and show it to us. After taking the email, we are using for the guest post and getting converted into leads, something, etc. Next extension is Page Speed. Page speed checker. Click the checkbot. Go to the blog and click the checkbot. It will show the website. Just copy the URL and paste it here. And it will crawl the website for the page speed. Yeah, result came. It shows the SEO speed security. For SEO score 88%, for speed is 76%, security is 84%. That is the checkbot. Thank you for watching my videos. If you have any doubts, just put it on the comment box. I will getting it to clear. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye.